Hello friends, welcome to this video on C Programming MCQs. So in this video, let us take a look at this question. So let's go through it. So it says that we have the main function, then we have a variable I, int I is equal to 10, and then we have int const j is equal to 20. So there is an integer variable, but it's a const int variable, okay, and the value stored is 20. Then we have a pointer variable, pointer ptr, okay, and it is of type int. It's pointing to an integer, okay, and which integer it is pointing to? It is pointing to I, okay, this one, okay. So it is storing the address of I. So ptr is pointing to I, and then we are printing the value of ptr, okay, using asterisk ptr. Then we are assigning the value of ptr, okay, to j. So basically ptr is now pointing to variable j, okay, here at line number 6. So we have stored the address of j in ptr. Then we are printing whatever is the value, okay, pointed by ptr, okay, using asterisk ptr, and then we are returning 0. So the options as given to you are throws warning, runtime error, compile time error, or it will print ptr star ptr is 10 and star ptr is 20. So you have to tell which is the correct option, okay, amongst these. So just pause the video and just do a dry run, okay, of the code, and after you have done you can resume the video. So I hope you have tried out, okay, and you have come to the correct answer. So in this case the answer is going to be option number A, which is A, throws a warning. So this code is actually going to compile fine if you're using C, okay, in C language only, okay, not C++, okay. So we'll talk about it a little later, but before that let's try and execute the code. So you see, okay, what we are getting here. So it says that use one second, some older log is coming, let me execute now. So you say what it is printing. It's saying one warning generated, and then it's printing okay, asterisk ptr, okay, the value is 10 and asterisk ptr value is 20, okay, but it was able to compile fine and it was able to produce the output, right? So now in this case, okay, there are two options, okay, that could have been correct, okay. So ideally, okay, option A, which is throws a warning, okay, can be correct, okay, in case you don't have option number D, okay, or if it's a multiple choice correct, okay, multiple answer correct question, then in that case you will have option A and option D, okay, both correct, okay, because it will throw a warning but it will compile fine, so you will get the output also as ptr 10 and asterisk ptr is equal to 20, okay. So output you are going to get, but warning will be there. So what is the warning here? It says that assigning to int pointer from const int pointer discards the qualifier, okay. So let's understand what is happening here. So what has happened here is that, see, at line number 5 we have integer I, okay, int I, but line number 6 the variable j is not int, it is a const int, okay. That means that the value of j cannot be changed. That is clear, right? Const means the value cannot be changed, okay, for that variable, for any const variable, okay. Now we have the pointer ptr. Now the type of this is int, okay, and then we have assigned I, okay, variable I address to ptr. So this operation is fine because the type of I is an integer, okay, and ptr is also of type integer, okay, both are of same type, okay. So this assignment at line number 8 is correct, and then we are printing whatever is the value, okay. So this will print 10, line number 10, the output is going to be 10, fine. After this, okay, what has happened is after this at line number 12 we are reassigning, okay, the ptr variable, okay, and we are making it point to variable number j, okay. So now we have assigned the address of j, okay, to ptr, but the problem here is that ptr is actually of int type, okay. You can see that it's int type of pointer, okay, and j is of int const type, okay. So there is a mismatch, okay, in the type of the pointer and the type of the variable that it is pointing to. So typically what happens is there's an implicit cast, okay, that happens in C, okay, which is called down qualification, okay, down type qualification, okay, which will actually make okay, the variable of the same type, okay, and you will be able to execute. But in case it is C++, okay, there, okay, down qualification might not work, okay, and you might encounter some error, okay, but depends, okay, on the implementation also many times. But in case of C, okay, definitely you will get a warning only, okay, and usually you know, the compilation is going to run fine, you're going to get your output. So no issues with that, because this is going to implicit conversion, okay, is going to take place, okay, in the type. And then you are basically printing the value of PTR, which is now pointing to 20. So it's pointing to J, right? So it will print 20 here. So that is why 10 and 20 both are getting printed, but at the same time warning will come. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.